Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Amana Shubhra Trisha. Today we'll be covering chapter 2 on this presentation, and we will perform some commands to see the text normalization and tokenization. So chapter 2 basically discuss about the regular expression, edit distance, and text normalization. So before get into the presentation, I would like to discuss about the tokenization and normalization. So the tokenization is actually conversion of large chunks of text into tokens, and these tokens refers characters, words, or sub characters. Whereas normalization converts list of words into more of a uniform sequence. So without further ado, let's just hop into the video and let's see what commands we are performing for our presentation. So first of all, we need to make a directory on our desktop. So for that we need to enter a command which is cd desktop. So here you can see we have a directory on our desktop. So now we need to check that the what files are there in our desktops. So here you can see these are the files are there in my desktop. You can see resume.ononna.pdf and etc files are there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a directory mkdir, which would be carrying my which would be named by my id. So let's see if it's created. So here you can see this is created directory. Now what I will do is I will create a text file in my directory. So what I'll do is first I will check with ls. It's not working, ls. So yeah, the directory is created. So I'll create a text file on my directory. That would be before that we will make a command where we will actually doing our task like cd 2024162 between our task here. So here we will be doing our task here. So here we need to create, like in this directory which is named by my id, I need to create a text file. So for the text file that I'll be creating on the directory, I need to write another command which is nano.sh.txt. So as per the instruction, I need to paste the PDF which I have here into the directory. I don't know why it is not pasting. So something happened on my previous editor, PDF editor, so I couldn't copy the whole text, but from Nitro Pro I can copy. So yeah, I'm copying the whole text, and now I will be pasting it over here. It might take a bit of time, but it will be there. Here we come back into the terminal. Now we have to work forward for our tokenization. So before tokenization, let's check that if the file is available or not. So here you can see that the file is available. Now let's check how many lines are there. So for this we have to write a command, which is sh.text. So here you can see 1688 sh.text lines are there. Now what we need to do is we need to check the contents of this text. So we need to put a command slightly sh.text. I'm so sorry, I had put it a comma instead of dot, so that's why it is not showing. sh.txt. So here you can see the contents had been loaded. So now what we need to do is we need to make this whole sentence into tokens and the large chunks into the smaller tokens. So we need to write some command for this. So the command is trsc, sorry, text. So that is the command for tokenization. Now let's check if it works. I did some mistake regarding the command, I guess, but now it is working fine, I guess. I have imported this again. I don't know why it didn't record it or something like that. Maybe sorry for that. So these words are unsorted. So here what I'm doing is like I will sort this word. So how I will sort is I will use another command, which is A to Z. I'm so sorry that So here you can see the texts are sorted. Now we will check. We'll check top 50 words if it's sorted or not. Let's see the commands. Text. Head. So yeah, this is working. You can see the top 50 words are there. Now we will check from the bottom. tr.sc. Sort tail minus 50. So you can see the words are from the bottom and these tokens are sorted. Now what we can do is we have to convert these tokens capital to small. These are capital words. If we change it into convert it into capital to small words, then we need to perform another command, which is trsc a set. Text. Sort tr a to z. Set. Now let's check. Whenever I'm pressing the enter, I don't know why it is actually pausing my video, so I'm so sorry for that, but this is what I am noticing quite a while. Now what I need to do is I need to make a small change to convert the small letters into capital letters. So what I'll be doing is I'll be performing the task again and switch the sides. So TRSC. To Z. A to Z. Just flip the sides and so here you can see the small letters are now converted into capital. So now let's check again. So for the checking, we have to check from the head and from the bottom area. So what we need to do is TR SC A to Z. Sort. TR A to Z. To Z. Head. Just hope now it will work. So here you can see the first 10 words are sorted. Now we will check the bottom part. Sorry, my video was paused again when I clicked enter. So what happened? Now I'm checking the bottom part and let's see. So here now we will see how many words are uniquely counted. So let's just put the command. So here you can see the words. Now we'll be sorting this unique words with their unique appearance. So look, you can see it had been sorted. Now let's check if my command is working properly. Yeah, it's working properly from the head. And it is working from the bottom or the tail. So this is how we are checking the top and bottom with the first 10 and last 10 words. So I think this is all from the video, and I am so sorry that video is too long. Thank you for watching. I'll be ending my presentation with that being said.